afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2012 government past question number 25, and the question here says, which of the following ensured the practice of democracy in the pre-colonial Yoruba political system? Which of the following ensured the practice of democracy in the pre-colonial political system? So this question is asking that among these options, which one indicates the feature of democracy in the Yoruba pre-colonial system of administration? So option A say checks and balances, B say fusion of power, C say individual responsibility, D say rule of law. The option that indicates features of democracy here is what we call checks and balance, and it was one of the elements of the Yoruba pre-colonial system. The Oba can be checkmate, the Oyomesi can be checkmate, the Ogboni can be checkmate, the Oyomesi can be checkmate, and so on and so forth. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you, and sure you subscribe for more videos.